Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can combat bacteria and germs in the female genitals. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a liter of warm water for a natural and cost-effective method of maintaining intimate hygiene. Baking soda can provide quick relief from body itchiness caused by mosquito bites or rashes. Create a paste by combining 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water and apply it to the affected area for immediate relief. Baking soda offers a wide range of benefits, including relieving heartburn, improving exercise performance, whitening teeth, and soothing canker sores. It is a versatile tool for health and wellness. Baking soda is a simple yet effective remedy for common health issues. It combats bacteria and germs, relieves body itches, and offers numerous other benefits. It is a testament to the power of natural, everyday items. Baking soda is a natural remedy that proves health doesn't always have to be expensive or come with side effects. It is a versatile ally for health and wellness, waiting to be discovered in our pantry. Baking soda is not just for baking. It is a natural remedy and a health ally that showcases the power of simplicity. Its benefits extend beyond the kitchen and offer a cost-effective solution for common health issues.